Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and printer service is not working. So how to solve these issues? Okay, so guys, firstly click to start button and then go to setting. Then guys, in system, scroll down, troubleshoot options, other troubleshoot, and launch run to printer. This is actually troubleshoot features in by default in Windows, so you can detect the Microsoft detect the issues, what is the issue in your systems. Okay, and I closed and waiting for. Then guys, click to start button again, type service, unidentify, it's okay, click to close. And say press P button, Spooler, printer, Spooler, and click to restart. Okay, then close, and then again click to start button, go to setting, then guys click to Windows, and if any have a update pending, so firstly you update properly. Okay, you can click to check for update. You properly up to date your system and then please restart your system. And next solution is, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.